We are back with another discovery video where we aim to find all of the best juice recipes for all of our common ailments. So this video, I am making a gut healing juice, but there was a twist. I was forced to have to make this video in a hotel room without a kitchen, by the way. So we're gonna go on this journey together and see, can I make this happen? Or a better question is, should I? Let me know in the comments below how you think this is gonna go, and then we're gonna find out together. Let's get it. I'm excited to check out this new spot, or it's not new at all actually, but I've never been here before. It is called the Produce Station. I was just in Ann Arbor and I figured to check it out. So come check it out with me. Okay, so the prices were a little bit more expensive than I anticipated, but I'm completely okay with it. I feel like sometimes that's the price to pay if you want to support a local mom and pop shop or local businesses. But I was able to get a handful of things I think would be just fine to get our juicing recipe. All right, this is gonna be an interesting challenge because I pretty much only see this desk area. So it looks like that's gonna be our juicing zone. Let me show you really quickly. That's a nice size. Let's see, do they have plugs? They have plugs. Okay, so that's gonna be our juicing area. As I'm looking around, I made a huge mediocre mistake. I don't have anything to clean the produce. And I'm like, I'm not about to use the bathroom sink. That's disgusting. So I may have to head back out and get maybe a gallon of water. Shoot, probably a small bottle of vinegar, maybe even a knife because I have the cabbage. I gotta cut that up too. I didn't think this through. I need a gallon of water, a bowl, maybe a cutting board if it's not too expensive. I don't know why I chose Myers. Well, I know why. It was the closest. Let's see what else. We need probably a little knife because we do have that cabbage, which will not shred itself. Let's start with the water first. That's important. Let's find the water. Regular schmegler spring water. I hope 1 gallon is enough. What I'm thinking is use maybe 3/4 of the water for cleansing and then the 1/4 for maybe rinsing. I ended up stumbling across the knives first. I figured I need extra knives anyway, but my goal is to just buy 1 knife. Now, ain't nobody told me that knives are $30 now? Like, well, look at this. What is this? Why? $29.99 for 1 knife? We have a $14.99. Let's just keep going this way. Hopefully the price goes lower as we go to the right. Ah, it is. Okay, so this one is $5.99. $4.99 up. There you are. $4.99, 6-inch blade. We could definitely make that work. Now the cutting boards is disrespectful. Let me show y'all these prices, man. I should have known. It's Myers. This is $31. This one is $20. This one is also $20. Whatever these are sold out. This one was $3, which would have been nice, but it's not here, so we may have to figure something out. So I found some cutting boards, but they're the plastic kind. I think I'm just gonna cut the cabbage inside of the glass bowl. We get the apple cider vinegar and we'll be good to go. My only concern is I may need to clean the bowl. So this is starting to add up, you know, mind you, I have all these things at home, which makes it even more like, what are you doing, you know? If anything, I know for sure we can get the apple cider vinegar. And let's see if we can find a hack for the dishwashing soap. I normally get this brand, but since we're just gonna do a quickie, and I most likely won't use it again, I'm going to do one of the smaller bottles here. Why do they do this? That's just rude. For us short people. Okay. And also pick this up as well. I figured out that not only am I gonna have to clean the bowl, but the juicer once I'm done juicing with it. So let's just go ahead and get what we need. So this is what we have so far. We have a scrubber, dish soap, a knife. We have some spring water, apple cider vinegar, and a bowl. So let's get out of here, go back to the hotel, and make this juice, y'all. So it ended up being a total of $23.19. What? Now that we're back in the hotel, I'm really excited to give it a try. So I'm about to set up this juicer and see if we could make some gut healing juice in a hotel. Okay, first things first, let's try to figure out how we're going to get this knife open, because the only other option I could think of is just peeling the cabbage out piece by piece. It'll be slightly annoying, but we'll get somewhere with that. I'm so upset I didn't think this through. Like, what? What are you thinking? Oh my goodness. I'm sure I could probably get some scissors from downstairs if need be, but I'm gonna just try to, don't try this at home. Disclaimer, don't try this at home. I'm gonna see if I can use the knife to cut it out, if that makes sense. Oh, well, look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna cut up the cabbage first because I'm gonna put it in the bowl and just kind of like get a little, slices in there. That should do the trick. And then I'll just toss in the apples and the ginger. We're gonna let it soak in the apple cider vinegar for a little minute, and then we're gonna rinse. And then after that, we're just gonna toss it in and get our gut healing juice. I decided to start with the lemon because once I cut the lemon, I could set it on the outside and it would be good to go. This is much more dangerous than I thought it would be. Like, the produce is sliding inside the glass. I feel like this also works well because the extra little lemon juice that's in the bowl is also going to help clean some of the produce. So win-win. We're going to go ahead and toss those into the juicer because I would literally die at the thought of setting it on top of this desk. Like, that's not happening. So we're just going to go ahead and toss them in the juicer. I want to share a little bit about why I ended up choosing cabbages for this gut health juice. I've done tons of research online and I knew a little bit about cabbage before starting off because this is my first time having cabbage juice. So cabbage juice helps heal the gut lining, which is amazing, especially if you have leaky gut. It soothes acid reflux and it may even repair ulcers. I've been seeing so much online how if you have ulcers, cabbage juice is the way to go. And it's mainly thanks to its high glutamine content. So it also helps with good digestion and bloating as well. It also helps detox the liver and cleansing, and it boosts your immunity. It's packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and it reduces inflammation in the body, which is amazing because it could support joint health and reduce pain. Now, aside from juicing it, if you decide to eat cabbage, you also get a ton of benefits as well, especially because you get more fiber. So every time I eat cabbage, I'm heading straight to the bathroom. It's one of those vegetables that would definitely help get you regulated. It keeps you full longer, supports heart health, is better for blood sugar control as well, and great for the skin and hair because of the vitamins and minerals that cabbages have. So with all those benefits, I am so excited to get this juice in me. So it looks like this is about ready to go. It's been sitting for a good 15 minutes now. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. I'm low-key freaking out that I'm in this bathroom. It's like I'm cringing. Okay, we're almost done. I just simply gotta pour out the apple cider wash. Can't be too hard, right? I just have to pour it out and then we're done. We don't have to come back with food to the bathroom. God, cover me, please. Okay, let's do this. I just realized there's a piece of my juicer that's missing. Hopefully it doesn't impact the juice. The little piece that goes here that helps push the pulp out. The show must go on, so we're gonna see what happens. I just realized I cannot find my mason jar. Don't know where it is. I looked everywhere. I could have sworn I packed it. So we have these two options. We have these coffee cups provided by the hotel, and we have some, it looks like water cups. I'm gonna go with this. I always assume plastic is toxic, so. Y'all, look how sad this looks. Oh my goodness. All of the pulp is getting like just stuck here basically. So if you're wondering why the heck I'm juicing in a hotel anyway, it's kind of a long story, and if I'm honest, a little bit of a sensitive one. I have some neighbors, and let's just say the environment isn't pleasant. So I needed to take a break for my mental health, for my nervous system, and decided to just book a room for a night or so just to kind of reset a little bit. In the meantime, I knew like I still had to record this video. I still wanted to stay on schedule, so I said the show must go on. So I packed my juicer. We're here and we were still able to make some juice. So when life gives you unbearable neighbors, you make juice in a hotel. All right, let's go ahead and taste this juice. I'm impressed with how fast this juice was able to be made. Usually when you're juicing cabbage, it takes forever. It's one of those slower vegetables when you're juicing. So I'm excited to taste it. That's so good. Now, this is my first time trying it with Fuji apples. I would recommend it because it adds a little bit more sweetness to it. I don't know if you ever had cabbage by itself. I tried so in the past. Learned my lesson, haven't done it again, but cabbage is definitely on the bitter side. So I feel like this combination is really good. You have the sweetness of the apples, the spiciness of the ginger, yes, but a little bit of sourness from the lemon, and all of it combined, the different elements from bitter, sour, spicy, and sweet. This is top tier. Honestly, I'm enjoying it. And I didn't want to forget, so let me show y'all what chaos is happening over here since we didn't have this little pulp remover thing. I'm so scared. So I'm gonna lift it. I can already tell there's a bunch of food here. Ah! Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Honestly, I did not imagine it would look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, get a little bit of rest. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share the love. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you all in the next videos, okay? Take care.